There are two methods to download CapCut on a PC. The first one is to go to the search bar and search for Microsoft Store. And then in Microsoft Store, guys, you have to search for CapCut and you can get your CapCut copy from here. But there is a problem. If you want to update your CapCut, you can't really automatically update. So you have to manually uninstall your CapCut. So I'm going to search for CapCut and now I'm going to uninstall my CapCut. Now as you can see, it says keep user data, so I'm going to check that and now I'm going to uninstall my CapCut. So you have to manually uninstall your CapCut and then you have to reinstall your CapCut from here. Now in second method, you can search for CapCut PC and you have to open this CapCut.com, their original website. Now in their website, you can try CapCut online or we can download for Windows. So I'm going to download for Windows. And now as you can see, I already installed this. So now I'm going to open my CapCut setup exe file and now we have to check on this agree and now let's install now. And now as you can see, this is a simple method. It is now going to install our CapCut. And now the CapCut is now officially installed and now we can click on this start now. And now if you are opening the CapCut for the first time, it will take a few minutes to get your setup ready. And now as you can see, it is now testing the environment. And now as you can see, we can click on this confirm. And now here we have the CapCut. So these are the projects that I already created. So if you want to update your CapCut, you have to click here. And as you can see, my version is 1.5.1. So we can click here, we can check for update. And as you can see, current is the latest version. So your CapCut will automatically update if there is another update available. So the efficient way to download the CapCut on PC is to use the CapCut original website. So that way you can automatically update your CapCut if there is a latest version available. So this is how we can install and update the CapCut in PC version.